I've bought and tested these garage door openers, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you've ever struggled with a faulty remote or just want the best for your garage, you're in the right place. Let's dive into my top 5 picks that really deliver. Product number 1, Chamberlain Liftmaster Craftsman Remote 893LM. When I first unboxed the solid remote 893LM, I was struck by its simplicity and ease of use. This remote is tailored specifically for Chamberlain, Liftmaster, and Craftsman garage door openers, made from 1993 onwards. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and it's been a game changer for my multi-car family. Adding an extra remote was a breeze. The setup process involved syncing it with my garage door opener, which took just a few minutes. I appreciate how it controls up to 3 doors simultaneously, so no more fumbling from multiple remotes when I'm juggling groceries and kids. The range is impressive too. It works flawlessly from about 120 feet away, meaning I can roll in without waiting around. One feature I particularly like is the battery indicator. It lets me know when it's time to replace the battery, so I'm never caught off guard. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the upside, the remote is incredibly lightweight and ergonomically designed, fitting comfortably in my hand or pocket. The price point of $12.81 is a steal for the reliability and performance it offers. However, it's worth noting that if you own a garage door opener with dip switches or brands like Genie or Overhead Door, this remote won't work for you. That said, if you're using compatible models, this remote is a fantastic investment. So why should you buy it? If you need a dependable, easy-to-use remote that covers multiple garage doors and provides long-range access, the solid remote 893LM is worth every penny. It's a practical solution for families, and with over 10,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many others are in the same boat. This remote has simplified my life, and I think it can do the same for you. Product number 2, City Universal Garage Door Opener Remote. I tested the City Universal Garage Door Opener remote. Priced at $14.99, this remote caught my attention with its promise of universal compatibility. I live in a multi-car household, so I wanted something that could handle multiple garage doors without a fuss. The City remote supports Liftmaster, Chamberlain, and Craftsman models from 1993 to present, and it works seamlessly across 3 different rolling code frequencies. This means I can trust that my garage door opens without interference from nearby devices. Setting up the remote was straightforward. I simply pressed the Learn button on my opener, then followed the corresponding instructions. Within minutes, I was able to control not just 1, but 3 doors with a single remote. I loved the peace of mind that comes with the rolling code technology, which generates a new security code for each use. This feature makes it incredibly secure, minimizing the risk of unauthorized access. The range, about 120 feet, allowed me to open the garage door from a comfortable distance while carrying bags of groceries. As for pros and cons, the dual pack was a plus. Having 2 remotes meant I could keep one in the car and one at home. However, some users might find the plastic build a bit less premium than expected. While it's lightweight, it does feel a tad flimsy compared to other remotes I've used. In conclusion, if you're looking for an affordable, versatile, and secure option for controlling multiple garage doors, the City remote is a solid choice. With its advanced rolling code technology and ease of use, it's proven to be a reliable addition to my household. Product number 3, Garage Stop Remote Replacement. The Garage Stop Remote Replacement is another gem I came across, costing $15.95. This remote stands out due to its compatibility with a wide range of models from Chamberlain, Liftmaster, and Craftsman. I'm a bit of a tech enthusiast, so I was particularly drawn to the Security Plus 2.0 rolling code technology that it features. This technology sends a new code every time the remote is used, offering an added layer of security against potential threats. During my testing, I found that pairing it with my garage opener was a breeze. I appreciated that it supports all 5 Learn button colors, making it versatile for various setups. The ergonomic design feels comfortable to hold, and its lightweight nature means I can easily carry it in my pocket. The long-range capability of 120 feet was another highlight. I could open the garage door well before I reached it, which made loading and unloading a lot smoother. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Firstly, the performance was exceptional, and the dual pack is a fantastic benefit. Losing one remote isn't a big deal when you have a backup. However, I did find that it can feel a bit too plastic and could benefit from a more robust design. Additionally, those with older garage door openers might face compatibility issues, as it's not designed for dip switch models. So why should you consider the garage stop remote? If you want a reliable, secure, and easy-to-use option that works across multiple doors, this remote is a solid investment. The peace of mind that comes with its security features is invaluable, making it a wise choice for anyone looking to upgrade their garage access. Product number 4. DDCA4 Universal Garage Door Opener Remote. The DDCA4 Universal Garage Door Opener Remote, priced at $15.99, intrigued me with its lightweight and ergonomic design. This remote is particularly useful for those who need a compact solution for their garage door access. I've had the chance to test it out with various models, and it performs flawlessly across the board. Like the others, it supports the rolling code technology, which is vital for security. What I found particularly interesting is its compatibility with different Learn button colors, including red, orange, purple, and yellow. This feature ensures that it caters to a wide audience, regardless of the specific model you have. Pairing it with my garage door opener was straightforward, and the instructions were easy to follow. I was pleasantly surprised to find out just how compact the remote is. It fits perfectly in my pocket or on my keychain, making it super convenient. When discussing the pros and cons, the biggest pro is its compact size and lightweight nature, which makes it ideal for everyday carry. The security features are also noteworthy. However, it's important to note that while it works excellently for many models, it requires some setup for different Learn button colors, which might be inconvenient for some users. In short, if you're looking for a compact, easy-to-use garage door opener remote that doesn't skimp on security, the DDCA4 remote is worth considering. Its ergonomic design and lightweight build make it a great option for anyone on the go. Product number 5. CreaCity Garage Door Opener Remote 891LM. I tested the CreaCity Garage Door Opener Remote 891LM, priced at $12.39. This remote is designed to work seamlessly with liftmaster, chamberlain, and craftsman models, making it a versatile choice. I found the setup process incredibly user-friendly. It only took a few moments to sync it with my garage door opener. The remote features advanced rolling code technology, which generates a new code every time it's used, ensuring high security. With a range of up to 120 feet, I was impressed with how quickly and reliably it opened my garage door from a distance. The ergonomic design made it easy to hold, and the lightweight nature means I can easily keep it in my pocket. Another benefit is that it comes in a dual pack, which is excellent for families like mine who need multiple remotes. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. One of the standout features is its affordability, especially considering the dual pack. However, it's important to note that it may not be compatible with older models that use DIP switches. The construction quality is decent, but it does feel slightly less durable than some higher-end models. In conclusion, if you're searching for an affordable and effective garage door opener remote, the CreaCity 891LM is a solid choice. Its ease of use, security features, and dual pack offering make it a worthwhile investment for anyone needing reliable garage access. In wrapping up, each of these garage door opener remotes brings something unique to the table. Whether you're looking for universal compatibility, advanced security features, or just a reliable option for your multi-car family, there's a perfect pick for you. Don't waste your money on subpar products. Go for one of these top 5 choices and enjoy the convenience they bring to your life.